How to fix Meta AI chat not showing on Messenger in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open Messenger, and if your Meta AI chat or search not working in your Messenger, then firstly open your App Store and then search here Messenger. Now here you can check your Messenger updates. If your Messenger have any update, then update your Messenger. After update your Messenger, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Messenger. Now here you can offload your Messenger app. After offload your Messenger app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.